Welcome to Almería, a coastal city in southeastern Spain known for its stunning beaches, arid landscapes, and Moorish architecture, particularly the Alcazaba, a historic fortress overlooking the city. The region also boasts the Tabernas Desert, Europe's only desert, which has served as a filming location for many iconic movies. Almería is located in the Andalusia region along the Mediterranean Sea, nestled between the Sierra Nevada mountains and the Tabernas Desert, making it one of Spain's sunniest and driest areas. Our journey begins at the Cathedral of Almería, officially known as the Cathedral of the Incarnation or Catedral de la Encarnación de Almería. This unique fortress cathedral, built in the 16th century to protect against pirate attacks, features Gothic and Renaissance architecture with thick walls and defensive towers, reflecting its dual role as both a place of worship and a refuge for the city's inhabitants. The Conjunto Monumental de la Alcazaba de Almería is a vast fortress complex dating back to the 10th century, built by the Caliph of Córdoba to protect the city. Its impressive walls, gardens, and towers offer stunning views of Almería and the Mediterranean, showcasing a blend of Islamic and Christian architectural influences. Over the centuries, the Alcazaba has been expanded and preserved, standing today as one of the most significant historical sites in Andalusia. The Mediterráneos de la Hoya garden in Almería is a lush terraced garden, nestled at the foot of the Alcazaba, designed to highlight the natural beauty and native plant species of the region. This peaceful oasis combines water features, stone pathways, and Mediterranean flora, offering a serene escape with views of both the fortress and the surrounding cityscape. Thank you for watching.